I mean, myself and Andrew Scott did it last year. We came back with All of Us Strangers, and I think I'm just fundamentally proud to be Irish. So to feel this when you come home it's very difficult to put into words, to be totally honest.
Why? What is it about that homecoming that means so much?
Because this is where I'm from. This is where I went to drama school here. This is where, like, whatever's in the water at the moment for Irish actors, it must be coming from within these borders. I don't know, but it's just, you're always proudest to bring the work home to where you belong, I think. Every film that you're involved in, you're ultimately incredibly proud of it. This is slightly different because of the scale, but I think the fact that I've had the opportunity to work with Ridley Scott on one of his best films is, I mean, again, I feel like I'm going to be repeating myself in the sense that it is very difficult to put into words, especially when you walk along and you see the amount of people that have come out. It is just like an absolute head-melting experience. I am so utterly grateful. It always starts with the people who come out and wait to come and see, not just me, but Irish actors returning home. It's such an important moment for us. Like, we do talk about it collectively, and we're like, it's always a place that we want to bring our films entirely. Like, I think we should be very proud of ourselves, not just as actors, but like as kind of the creative output we're putting out into the world at the moment is. We're punching above our weight a little bit, I think.
Well, that's the dream film. You and Cillian and Saoirse and Jessica Buckley and Andrew and all of you.
Mine too. Yeah, absolutely.
Some kind of Marvel super.
Yeah, we'll make one. We'll do something like that. Just we probably won't get into tights.